Hi, Grass Lake Gators. This is Mrs. Wallace, your school librarian. Today's video is going to show you how to put books on hold for our curbside checkout, which starts Thursday, October 22nd. The times that you can pick up books for curbside checkout are 1 to 4 in the afternoon on every Thursday that we have school. That starts on Thursday, October 22nd. Let's get to putting books on hold. The first thing I want to do is be logged in to my Kent School District computer and click on the Start menu to open Google Chrome. Once I've done that, I should land on the Grass Lake homepage. If you don't, you can follow the web address at the top of the screen, or if you're on another school's webpage, just click on Select a School to get to Grass Lake. Once you're on the Grass Lake homepage, click on Teaching and Learning, Library. That will take you to our Destiny page. But what we want to do is discover new books to read. So we're going to click on Destiny Discover. This is the generic homepage for our catalog. You can search for books just through here, but you won't be able to put any on hold until you log in. So if you go up to the right-hand corner and click on Login, it will take you to the automatic login page, which is just right here in the middle. You click on this blue bar that says Kent School District 415. It will automatically log you in. Do not fill anything out over here for Follett account. You only want to log in using this blue bar right here. If you are logged in to your computer, you will automatically be logged in to Destiny Discover, and I can tell I'm logged in because here's my name at the top of the page, and our background is nice and yellow with books flying through the air. At the top of the page are announcements. You can read through those to see if there's anything that applies to your student. Also, if you get stuck, here is our information in the library. You can call and leave us a message, or you can email us anytime. In order to put a book on hold, the easiest thing to do is to have the title that you're looking for and just type it into the box at the top. They will start by giving you all kinds of options, trying to help you find what you're looking for. In this case, I'm looking for the book Creepy Carrots. I click search, and there's the book I'm looking for, and it's in. What I want to do is put it on hold. So I click on the hold button in the corner, and the book is on hold for me. If I make a mistake and I need to get rid of that hold, I changed my mind, I'd like a different book, I just click on unhold, and the hold will be removed. If I don't know what kind of book I'm looking for, I can go back by clicking on Discover or use my back arrow. Then I can scroll down and look down here for some ideas. This first bar shows you collections that have been put together for different classes or grade levels. I can click the arrow across. A good place for students in kindergarten through 3rd grade to look is our Washington Children's Choice. These are all of our picture books that we've been reading the last few years in library together. If I click on the collection, I can show more at a time by choosing some of these different options here. And it shows me all of the picture books that we've been reading in library for the last few years. This is a great place to look for award-winning picture books that are fiction and nonfiction and just give some great ideas about great books to read. When I find a book that I'm interested in, oh, this one looks great. I don't want to be a frog. I click on the book, and it will take me back to Destiny Discover, and there's my book. I just click the hold button, and it's on hold for me. If you change your mind, just click unhold, and you're all set. If I want to just look at books that have been recently added for all grade levels, I can go down to Recently Added Books and look through there. If I want to search by topic, if I'm interested in fantasy or animal stories or scary stories, I can search by topic. This one, if you search by topic, it is not limited to grade levels. So you'll see all the books in our library that are categorized under scary stories, K through 6. So with the younger grades, it's a good idea to have an adult there with you to help find books that are good for your students' reading level. I can go back and do another search, see what else is available. But let's say I've looked and I still can't find a book that looks good for me. Well, Mrs. Wallace and Mrs. Erickson are happy to do a grab bag for you. The way you can get a grab bag, which is a collection of up to three books, is if you come back up here to the announcements page. That's that first page when we logged in. And we click on the grades K through 2 form. It will open up a Microsoft form where you can put in some information about yourself and what you like in a book, and we will create a selection of books for you. Maybe you want a nonfiction book about any of these topics, or maybe you want a fiction book about any of these topics. At the bottom of the page, you let us know when you'll be able to pick up the book, either on this coming Thursday, or if that doesn't work for you and you need to schedule a different day of pickup, click this button. I need to schedule a different day for pickup with Mrs. Erickson between 1 and 4. Then you're going to put the parent or guardian name and either an email or phone number at the bottom, and we will contact you to help schedule a different time. Once you've filled out the form, click Next, and it will submit the form to us in the library, and you will be able to check out books. If you have any questions at all or need support, remember to go back to this page here that has our contact information. Reach out to us. We are here to help you. Again, this starts on October 22nd. That's the first day you can pick up books, but you can put books on hold anytime. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you in the library.